Dive into the luscious world of cocoa, where every bite takes you on an unforgettable journey of rich flavors and creamy textures. Welcome to the realm of the world's most delectable chocolate bars. At number 5, bask in the glory of the Swiss masterpiece, Toblerone. This triangular prism of chocolatey goodness, studded with honey and almond nougat, has forever changed the way we perceive chocolate bars. The unique shape and the tantalizing blend of Swiss milk chocolate, honey and almond nougat make Toblerone a true standout. Coming in at number 4, unwrap the joy of Cadbury's Dairy Milk. This British classic has been warming hearts since the early 20th century. It's the perfect balance of sweetness, creaminess and cocoa that makes dairy milk a beloved treat worldwide. The bronze medal goes to Hersheys milk chocolate. Born in the United States, Hersheys has been a household name for over a century. It's the simplicity of this bar that makes it so appealing. Pure, silky milk chocolate with a hint of caramel undertones, Hersheys is a testament to the adage, less is more. In the second position, savor the richness of Belgium's finest Côte d'Or. This bar is a symphony of deep, robust flavors that are a testament to the mastery of Belgian chocolatiers. The intensity of the cocoa, combined with a velvety texture, makes Côte d'Or a chocolate lover's dream. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for. The gold medal, the crown jewel of chocolate bars, goes to none other than Ferrero Rocher. This Italian gem is not just a chocolate bar, but a luxurious experience. The harmony of creamy hazelnut, wafer and milk chocolate, all encased in a gold foil, makes Ferrero Rocher the epitome of indulgence. There you have it, the world's top 5 chocolate bars. Each is a testament to the art of chocolate making, offering unique flavors and experiences. Whether you're a fan of the classic milk chocolate or prefer something with a bit of crunch, there's a chocolate bar out there waiting to take your taste buds on a delightful journey. So go ahead, indulge in the world's most delicious chocolate bars. After all, life is too short not to enjoy